We are in a much better mood today. This is his second time playing with the ball pit up. He loves those little balls. Of course, you know, Grandma's house when MJ is here, always full of toys. Good morning, guys. Today has been much better so far. He is playing and very happy today, so I'm hoping to get some more baking done. Someone has suggested Buckeye balls in one of my baking videos, and I've never had those. I don't know why. I always thought it was like a nut that was dipped in chocolate, but it turns out it's like a peanut butter ball dipped in chocolate. Well, I'm here for that. So I'm gonna try those, and also I wanna do the white chocolate Ritz cracker peanut butter thing. So I'm hoping to get those done, and maybe a fudge. So that's a lot to try to get done today with a baby, so we shall see. Alright, I am about to make those Buckeye cookies. I guess is what they're called. I don't know, but they look so yummy. I moved my mixer over to my Peninsula. That way I can keep an eye on Mr. MJ. He's playing in the living room. But yeah, I am so excited. So let's start. I forgot to mention I'm using Preppy Kitchen's recipe. I love his desserts. I mean, everything he makes is amazing. So I'm gonna be following that, and I will see if I can link his recipe in the description box for you. If not, it's very, very simple. We can do like a little rundown. 5 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna cream that with a cup of peanut butter and a teaspoon of vanilla. And then we're gonna slowly add in 2 cups of powdered sugar. We're going to form those into balls, chill them, and then dip them in chocolate. That simple.
On this cold December day, we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold December day, I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is the most tired chore. No girl or boy without a toy, so giddy up, Rudolph, my dear. 8 pair of antennas, onwards ever go.
Alright, I am going to put these in the fridge and let them cool. And when we're done with that, then we dip them in chocolate. I think my balls are too big. Haha, pun intended. Anyway, I am pinching some off. The toothpick just fell out. I don't know, they just didn't seem to be right. So I'm going to pinch more off of these and make more, and then we've got to re-chill it. Alright, MJ just went down for a nap. And while the little new, smaller peanut butter balls are cooling, I'm going to add some peanut butter onto some Ritz crackers.
Christmas.
wow, these look amazing. I have to put them in the fridge so they can cool, but I cannot wait to test these. All right, we are back to the Buckeye balls, and if this doesn't work, they're just gonna be ugly. I've had a couple, they taste really amazing. They're just gonna be ugly. Well, I am out of peanut butter, so I cannot make the fudge that I wanted to make. I need to make a Walmart list and go get that fairly soon so we can get that going. Not today though. There's a storm rolling in. I'm going to show you the clouds. Also, my husband washed the car today. Just want to show you that it does get clean every once in a while. It always looks so good for about 5 minutes. We live on a dirt road, so it doesn't last very long at all.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one. All right, these holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Hey. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses.
As you can see, my Buckeye balls did not turn out very pretty. I was gonna tag Preppy Kitchen on Instagram and share them, but yeah, guess who's not doing that now? Kind of embarrassed by them. Apparently I need a little more practice on the Buckeye balls, but the other, I mean, they all taste like the bomb diggity, because I'm trying to embarrass my kids, so I'm gonna use terms like bomb diggity. Anyway, they taste so good. Thank you so much for the recommendations. Somebody had said they used the white chocolate, and then somebody also had suggested the Buckeye balls. Never had one of those, so thank you so very much. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks for hanging out with me. Please be sure to hit that like button and also the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll be back here again tomorrow. Bye guys.
Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you